In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GoDaddy Coming Soon page. If your domain shows a generic Coming Soon screen, it simply means your site hasn't been published yet. GoDaddy displays that placeholder so visitors know something is on the way. The good news is that switching from Coming Soon to your real site only takes a couple of clicks once you're in the website builder for your domain. Here's how it works. From your GoDaddy dashboard, open the project associated with the domain you want to go live. Look for the option to edit the site, then click Edit Website. That opens the GoDaddy website builder for this specific site, where you manage your pages, content, and publishing status. Inside the editor, you're in a safe workspace. You can make changes, preview layouts, and see how things look without affecting what visitors see. Even if you don't need to modify anything right now, this is exactly where the control to take the site live is located. Next, find the Publish button, typically in the upper right of the editor. Click Publish. This action pushes your current site design to the live domain and replaces the Coming Soon page with your actual content. You might see a brief confirmation message letting you know the publish is in progress or completed. A quick note about saving versus publishing. Saving or auto-saving only stores your edits in the editor. It does not make the site public. The Coming Soon page stays in place until you use Publish. So, if you've been designing for a while and still see the placeholder on your domain, this is the step you were missing. After you publish, your live site is generated on GoDaddy servers and linked to your domain. In most cases, the change appears very quickly. Occasionally, you may notice a short delay while the update propagates across the network or while cached versions expire. That's normal and should resolve on its own shortly. And that's it. Opening Edit Website to access your site, then selecting Publish in the editor removes the GoDaddy Coming Soon page and makes your site available to the world. Keep designing and updating inside the editor as often as you like, and whenever you're ready for visitors to see the latest version, just publish again. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to share your live site with your audience.